Lay out the groupings of parts A, B, C, and D as shown. Insert the tabs from parts B and C into one of the side base parts D and secure with 2 part ends. Repeat for the opposite side. Step 2. Lay out the grouping of parts E, F, and G as shown. Notice the position of the cutout on part G and the position of the slot on part E. Slot the tab from part F and G into the slots on one part of E and secure with 2 part ends. Repeat for the opposite side. Step 3. Using the part you just assembled from Step 2, lay out part H on top of the parts from Step 2 as shown. Then flip the parts and secure using 4 part Ps. Step 4. You will now need the assembled base from Step 1 and the assembled parts that we just finished with Step 3. Lay out the main H-frame of the easel on top of the base as shown so you can secure the H-frame to the base. Flip up part A and B and then secure using 4 part Ps. You can then finish securing the base with 2 more part Ps screwed into the H-frame as shown. Step 5. Lift the frame up as shown. You will then need part I and will start by securing the bottom to the base of the easel with part Q. Then secure the top part I using part R onto the slot of the H-frame as shown. Repeat for the opposite side. Step 6. You can now take part J and slide it down on the center mast as shown. Tighten the 2 knobs in front to secure in place. Step 7. Slide part K into the housing as shown and then secure using part T on the back side of the easel. Step 8. Now take part L and make sure that the small brass tab is secure onto the notch in the back side of the canvas support, part L. This part may already be slotted into place. Once it is done, then slide the part L onto the top of the center mast, part K, and secure using the turn knob that will be with part L.